I want to make a 3D printer and I have no money. But I need parts, so I have a stack of old printers that didn't work, so I started tearing them apart. This is out of a Lexmark Z. No. Yes. This is a Lexmark Z645. It's a Mitsumi M4 2SP 6NKA stepper engine. This is out of a Epson stylus. This is a Mitsumi M35 SP 11NKLF. They're both stepper motors. Out of the stylus CX 4600, I got two, I forget what these engines are called, but see that little hole right there? That has a light sensor, and it uses this strip, which is in the printer. There's one right there, and this one. Here's the ink cartridge head out of it, the CX 4600, and the bars and everything. And your belt, you get a belt out of there, a drive belt that'll fit around the cogs that are built onto everything. Here's the one out of the CX. The Lexmark printer. Here's the paper roller one. It has rubber around it, but still it's a good rod. Yeah, so that reads where it's at off of that, so it knows where to stop at. This, also can get a whole bunch of little springs out of there, which might be good. One spring was holding this tight as a tensioner. So out of the CX 4600, I got the Mitsumi M35 SP 11NKLF, and out of the Lexmark, I got the M42 SP 6NKA. I got that engine out of the Lexmark Z645. I forget the name of the company, but it's a RS385SH14180. Down here at the bottom. This is how I found it, RN5667105. That number there is the one I found it by, and it tells the company name. This one, and then this one, the Lexmark, the Epson stylus CX4600. This one also came out of it. Get a whole bunch of cogs. Get some ribbons that are like pretty long that could be hooked. You can probably use these ribbons in your 3D printer to hook stuff together. About 10 or 12 prongs. Alright, now I'll come back here in a minute and make another video of tearing up my next printer.